Okay, so hey guys, it's Tom GK, or actually, so hey guys, it's Tomasaki. I've got an interesting video for you guys today. I'm gonna go to McDonald's drive-thru on my motorcycle, and let's see how that goes. So if you guys want to do this, or are wondering how I'm gonna do it, I've got a little bit of a plan. I've got my backpack on my back, obviously, and then I'll put the food in there, and I'll get a water. And I might hold the water, but once I get out of the drive-thru area, my plan is to pour it in a water bottle I have. So I've seen a couple videos of these, and they seem pretty funny. And I thought, why not try it out and see how it goes. Hopefully they let me go. I don't see any reason they won't let me go through the drive-thru, because it's a vehicle. It's got an engine. It's got 2 wheels, but it still should be fine. Another hot day. In hot gear on a hot bike. So where's the McDonald's at? I don't know. I think it's further up ahead. There it is. The yellow arches. That car cut it close. I don't know if I've been here before in a video, but I go here a lot. There's a lot of empty parking lots for good motorcycle practice. You can never get too much practice on your bike. Alright, so here we are. Let's see how it goes. I might have to turn off the bike for them so they can hear me. I don't think it idles too loud. Oh, good, no one here. Here we go. I don't think they hear me. The bike doesn't detect.
Hi, thank you for choosing McDonald's. Can I get for you today?
Can I get 2 cheeseburgers and a water?
Anything else for you today?
Nope, that'll be it.
Your total is $212 at the window.
Alright, thank you. Alright, so what you had to do is you had to turn the bike on and give it a rev. Hello. I like your glasses.
You have a wonderful day.
You too. Ew, so much oil. Look what I found.
Oh Lord, please hit him with a slap. Bitches talk shit like they got no sex. Woo!
A quarter. And I dropped a penny. Such a weight. Oh shit. push it. So much oil.
Hi, how are you?
Good. Hold on one sec.
Large ice water? Thank you very much. Have a good one.
Thanks. Have a good day.
Don't tell me what to do.
I'll push it out of the way. What should I do? This is difficult. Okay, well, I didn't think they'd give me a large water. I thought it'd be a really small one, and it didn't fit in my spot. So I'm going to go back and get my water. That was my manager. That lady was my manager. What the hell? What? What is she doing here? What the fuck? I'm pretty sure that was my manager. I'm gonna have to relook at that footage. But that looked a lot like my manager. She didn't she didn't notice me though because I was on my bike. I'll have to tell her that. So this is how you do it. There we go. Now we eat. Where do we eat though? Let's eat all by ourselves over there. You gotta keep the water because you can't litter. I was kind of thinking about talking to that lady at the drive-thru, but there was people behind. I was gonna ask her if she's had anyone order anything on her motorcycle or their motorcycle. Okay, well, we got the food, we got the water. I had to abandon it, make sure no one stole it before I get back. Well, solo biker life, you know. All by yourself, eating the food by yourself. Got the food. Where's the water?